Hi guys, today start a new class of advanced electricity. This is the second course of electricity. The first one was DC current, and the second one, advanced electricity, is related with the AC current. Only the AC current, the sources of AC current. We are going to analyze the wiring of the AC panel, the lighting protection, the bonding conductor construction, how important is the bonding, the grounding, the difference between bonding, grounding, and ground. We are going to study the procedure to install the galvanic isolator and the isolator transformer, and of course we are going to do the wiring of the AC panel. That wiring, we are going to do the wiring completely in a board, similar than the board that we did in basic electricity. We are going to study the generators in details. That topic is the chapter 14 of your book of Marine Advanced Electricity. We are going to follow the same book, the book of Advanced Electricity. This course is the second part of that book, from chapter 11 until chapter 17. This is the second part of the book. And we are going to study the generators in detail. The troubleshooting of the generators, the procedure to install a generator. I have a great poster with all the steps related with the procedure to install the generator, the troubleshooting with generators, and some tips and recommendations for marine generators. Also with inverters, the procedure to install the inverter, the procedure to size, to calculate the inverter. The same with transformers. The same with the pedestals. We are going to learn how the pedestal will be wired. The procedure to do the troubleshooting with pedestal. That video is an excellent video for marine managers, for inspectors, for surveyors. The pedestal is critical. And also we are going to talk about the hybrid configurations, hybrid configuration of boats, completely electric or hybrid, gasoline electric, diesel electric. This is a nice course. I hope you enjoy this class. In this course, my friends, I need that you follow my recommendation of the syllabus roadmap, day per day. Please follow my recommendation. If not, in 2 weeks you are out, because it's a lot of information. In the conference, we are going to practice exactly the same like in the previous course. We are going to practice about the topics related in the previous week. Troubleshooting. We are going to create a good conversation. You remember the last conversation that we did? I loved that conversation because we refreshed all the topics. And of course, in the laboratories, we are going to repeat the same theory of the videos, but with more details. And of course, we are going to practice. The first laboratories will be about the frequency, about the procedure to do the wiring, and after that we are going to do a panel completely. I hope you enjoy this class, but I need that you be connected day by day following the videos. And also we are going to prepare our students to take the ABYC electrical certification. We are going to study chapter by chapter of the ABYC study guide in order to keep clear all the concepts, and at the end of this class, probably the first week of April, you are ready to take the ABYC electrical certification if you want. This is not part of the course, it's optional. If you want it, you are ready to take the certification and you are ready to pass the certification. Okay, my friends, I need that you and me and Mr. Rodriguez, we follow this course step by step, hand to hand. Together you can advance. Together you have a great future. Thank you.